A quick disclosure, I earn a commission when you click on the link in the description of this video and form your LLC with Bizee. Starting your own business is like setting off on an adventure into the unknown. You have a great idea and the passion to see it through, but the path is filled with legal hurdles, paperwork, and a whole lot of questions. That's where platforms like Incfile, which has recently evolved into Bizee, step in. They're like the friendly guide in this adventure, ready to help you navigate the maze of forming your business, making sure you start off on the right foot. Let's take a closer look at how Bizee, which its roots as Incfile, can be the companion you need in turning your business dream into reality, breaking it down into steps that feel more like a walk in the park than a climb up a mountain. And by the way, if you would like to get help in starting your own LLC, then make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video and sign up with Bizee.com. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First things first, imagine you're sitting there with a brilliant business idea. Maybe it's something you've been dreaming about for years, or perhaps it struck you out of the blue. Either way, you're ready to make it happen. But then the daunting world of business formation and legal requirements starts to cloud over your dream. That's where Bizee, the new face of Incfile, shines bright. It's like having a wise friend who knows all the shortcuts and secret paths to getting your business legally set up without breaking a sweat. Heading over to the Bizee website kicks things off. It's like stepping into a one-stop shop where all your business formation needs are met with a smile. Here's where you make some key decisions, like picking what type of business you want to start. Whether it's an LLC, which is great for small to medium-sized businesses because it offers flexibility and protection, or a corporation, which might be the way to go if you're thinking big from the get-go. If you're scratching your head unsure about what's best for your dream, Bizee has your back with guides and information to help you choose wisely. Next up, you'll pick where you want your business to live. This isn't about where you find the prettiest office or the best coffee shops. It's about the state laws that will affect your business. Each state has its own set of rules, taxes, and obligations, and Bizee knows them all. They'll help you figure out the best state to set up shop based on your specific needs and goals. Now let's talk about the packages. So Bizee provides varying service levels ranging from the basic silver package to the luxurious platinum package. It's all about what fits your budget and what extra help you might need. Think of it like ordering a meal. You can go for the basic burger, add some fries with the gold package, or go full combo with the platinum. No matter what you pick, you're getting quality service that's tailored to help you succeed. Filing out the online form is the next step. This might sound tedious, but with Bizee, it's more like filing out a profile for a new friend. You'll share details about your business, like its name, what it does, and who's going to be running the show. This info is key because Bizee uses it to make sure everything is squared away with your state's requirements. Once you hit that submit button, it's time to let Bizee do its magic. They take all that info you provided, make sure it's all good to go, and then file it with your chosen state. They're so quick about it, promising to get your documents filed within 1 business day. That's faster than most of us can decide what to watch on Netflix. But what really sets Bizee apart isn't just how fast they get you set up. It's the aftercare, the way they stick around to make sure you're not just started, but ready to grow. They don't charge a dime for forming your company. You only cover your state's filing fees. And they throw in a year of free registered agent service. If you're wondering what that is, think of it as having someone trustworthy to handle all the important legal and government mail for your business. It's a big deal and Bizee gives it to you for free for a whole year. They also offer a free business tax consultation. Taxes can be scary, but Bizee's experts will walk you through it, helping you understand how to save money and keep everything above board. Plus, their customer support is like having a business mentor on speed dial. Any questions you have, they're ready to help. Bizee also packs a treasure chest of tools and resources for your business. We're talking about legal forms, accounting software, and templates that can save you time and money. These are the kinds of resources that can help your business grow from a small seed into a mighty tree. Now, why the change from Incfile to Bizee? It's all about evolution. After 20 years of helping businesses bloom, they've refreshed their brand to better reflect the hustle and heart that goes into running a business. Bizee is about acknowledging your hard work and offering more personalized, data-driven support to help you thrive. It's the same trusted team and service, just with a new name that's all about getting busy in the smartest way possible. In the end, choosing Bizee means choosing a partner who's all about making your business journey smoother and more successful. It's like having a guardian angel for your business, making sure you're set up right from the start and supported as you grow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, Bizee is there to make sure you can focus on what you do best, bringing your dream to life. So if you're ready to turn that idea into a reality without getting bogged down by the daunting aspects of business formation and legalities, it's time to check out Bizee. With their expertise, support, and wealth of resources, you're not just starting a business, you're embarking on a journey to success with the best guide you could ask for. Let's get busy and make your business dream come true. Make sure to click on the link down in the description and sign up to Bizee.com. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. And remember, clicking on that link doesn't cost you anything and it helps me support the channel. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.